Gotta get this guy. Oh, you already got it loose.
Oh, the nut? Yeah. I took them both off.
I guess we can leave it there for now.
There's not much more we do up top. Heat your meat. Heat and
Buddy. See, look at that. Nut comes right off of there. 18 this side, 15 this side. We're gonna see if that will come loose now with the nut being off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll grab our hammer here. Boom. So now we gotta separate this guy to help us out. We're just gonna lube in here. And then we're gonna use leverage.
And then as long as we don't remove the torque converter, stay chilling.
Oh yeah. We've got some movement now. So now we should be able to take our chain. Oh, there we go. Got this axle nut. We're gonna leave a couple threads on because we're gonna give her a couple smacks. Oh yeah, just like that. Oh. There. Well, I got that side out. The other side, it should just be those C-clips, so a simple pry bar should get that out.
Can't really help you.
She already came loose. There it is.
Oh, there.
Let's get back on.
Let's go.
There's just those two bolts up in here.
Yep.
Alright, put that shit.